Hello everyone. Today presentation is about TVRA Toolkit, which is the threat, vulnerability and risk assessment. We all know that Internet of Medical Things providing big advancements in the healthcare technology, enabling remote patient monitoring, automated treatment delivery, and enhanced diagnostic capabilities. However, this increased connectivity brings significant security challenges. Medical devices now operate in complex interconnected environments where security vulnerabilities can impact not just data privacy but patient safety and clinical outcomes. So TVRA Toolkit address those challenges by providing a comprehensive solution for identifying, analyzing and mitigating security risks through the entire IoT device lifecycle. Some key capabilities of TVRA Toolkit are system modeling, vulnerability scanning, risk calculation, security controls and recommendation map to establish frameworks, and providing all those things as evidence collections for assurance cases and regulatory submissions if required. So I will just walk you through now through the API and some of the components. So the first part is the vulnerability scanning. You can just provide as simple as the name and the target. Once executed, you will have a scan ID. With this scan ID, you can keep checking the progress, or you can provide the output. I already have one to speed up the demo. So one way of looking at vulnerability assessment is through the HTML report. It's a very simple report that you can take immediate actions. Or another one is with a JSON format that you can then take that output as inputs to other tools or to assurance toolbox. Another part is system modeling. So here we have a very simple model that is then used with IoT modeling tool. And with IoT modeling tool, you can just take the model, import it, and once you have it, as I said, I've already imported one just so I can speed up the whole demo. You can run so you can get the threads. And as you can see, for our simple model, there are threats identified, such as there might be a exploit on the sensor app. Another one could be patient Wi-Fi could be compromised. There are multiple locations from where the patient can access, and those will have different networks and different securities on the network. And there is more and more depending on the risk level and the likelihood of happening. So once you have all the threats, again, you can address them and then provide them as the evidence to the toolbox. The next one is you can ask for the recommendations, and then depending on the severity, you might have some recommendations, or if the risk and likelihood are very low, like on our simple model, then there might not be any recommendations. The last one is the attack paths, and again, I already have one over here, and for more complex model, it will show you the most likely attack paths that could actually be used to compromise your IoT infrastructure. And as I said, all of those could be then used as evidences to the assurance toolbox, or as the input to other tools in the MedSecurance project, such as protocol analyzer. The TVRA comes with the documentation and the architecture diagrams. So you can quickly see there's an API. That API then use OpenVAS for vulnerability scanning, or for threat modeling and recommendations. There's a Spider backend engine. There's a vulnerability scan workflow similar to the threat modeling and recommendations. And it all comes also with extensive documentation of how to use the TVRA. That's all for me for today. Thank you so much.